ago with the foil. This is the foil back in the stock now for you, and I would love to be here and then share with you and with the different techniques you can using it. And here for 30 seconds. And I just using this is a premium iHo transfer foil. If you're using this, it's 30 seconds here. If you're using the white bottle, it's 60 seconds here. Hi Tiki. Oh, here is some really cool tip and trick. Is a lot of you wonder, and you can pack something like this for your clients, right? It just have the alcohol prep for the clients, and then just a little small above and a file, because they don't need to file their nails, just in case they need to file on the edges. And let me open it so you can see what it in there. It's really cool. And the little file right here, the manicure file, and then this is the buff, and that's all they need. And then the cuticle pusher, and then a little on edges. I like it, so just in case they're using extra glues on there, they can clean it up right away before it getting really dry. And then also is the little like nail glue. And then if you have the tacky tab right here to put it on instead of using a glue, you can. If not, they can totally using with the nail glue. Is great because sometimes it's hard for them to find it. And then also with the alcohol pad, if you don't have it, just tell your clients using the alcohol if they have it at home, or if every family have emergency kits that usually have the alcohol pad, they can just clean it up all the dust before they're placing it, the glue and stuff. And I'll send you a link or sharing it on YouTube, on her YouTube channels. It's really great. And I always like, don't forget to put it on, like if you have your business card, your Instagram, or your coupon for the clients after everything get back to as regular routine, they can bring it your coupon. You can get a restriction applied to anything at the salon. Here's just the coupon we're using it for our salon. But if you have a really busy schedule with clients, you don't have that promotion for clients, it's totally fine. You can just give the thank you, like whatever the thank you, the basic you can do is simple one with simple from your computer, and then print it at Home Depot. I'm sorry, Office Depot for really a good reasonable price for $10 for hundreds of them. So if you want to do that, or this one, it take more time for them to send off and then ship it. But if you need it like right away, immediately, you can print something like this, or like a little note thank you for the clients, however you would like to. And then you send this kits right here, right? And you can send that with the set of the nails that you created for your clients, so they have everything. And if you can print it off some quick instruction for them as well, that'd be great. See, so you can send that as the kits for them, so they have everything. So you're not gonna get this and running around and doesn't know how to put this one on, you know. So you want to make it convenient for them. And this one is beautiful done. I am going to using, there's different Gucci though. This one is super cute. I don't know, whatever you want to do with. Hold on, let me see if I can get this right in the center. There you go. I think I got in the center. If it's not in the center, that's okay. Make sure you press firmly. Let me see it transfer. Oh, it's really nice. Make sure it's not gonna miss anything. It should be good because I pressed this firmly. If not, then it means that it's not firm yet. Ah, nice. Ta-da! It's off the base a little bit, so I'm press it back on. I didn't press it hard enough beginning because I might afraid of it's like hurting or whatever. But look at this. It chamfer completely, even though like I will stop in talking about the base and stuff like that. It's every single piece I chamfer is completely chamfer. Alright, so with this beautiful one, you can either doing like a chromes over it, or you can just leave it alone and let it plain like that. Or what should I do? Should I glue a gold chromes on it, or should I just leave it alone? The preset size, the press on community use. If you DM me, I will send. Oh, good. Thank you, Sarah, for sharing that. She said that she had the size, the press on community use. That's awesome. Thank you, Nuna. You like it plain? Janesse, after transfer the foil, you want to leave it that you're using? Yes, Nail HQ. Great question. After transferring the foil, if you want to leave it like this, do you just gel top coat? Yes, absolutely. If you want to leave just alone like this, just put the gel top coat on and you keep for 60 seconds and then you're good to go. And now I'm gonna put just a little bees on it. So everybody want plain on this after we're done all like fun fancy things. So we can leave it plain. And I'm gonna put just a little bees. There's so many different bees on that bee collection. So there's come with the smaller ones, bigger ones, and they are silver and gold, retro gold. So there's whole collection of bee collection. If you're looking at the metal art, I think it's section that it has all cool things. So condensed glue gels, and just blending it. If you feel it's really a thick density, just get the smaller amount. Okay, you don't need a whole lot. I just get a small. You don't need a whole lot unless you're doing unless you're using the 3D crystals, then you might need a little bit more. So we're gonna using a no wipe top coat right on the top, because this one after we're done it's gonna be completely done. It doesn't, you know, I think I might just doing just a beyond this one. She's super cute. There's a hold on, where's the bee? Right here. I've been used quite a few of them already. There are so many of them. Okay, like this is the big one. I wear this one in for my hands before. I think this one or the gold one is queen bee. And then I got the smaller ones. I'm gonna put this cute little one in here, and that's it. If you want her to be just by herself, that's it. Then you don't have to worry about covers all of your, you know, like designs. All right, so I am going to cure for 60 seconds on this one, and I'm go back with if you want to do with some crystal, you can, but I don't want to take away from the designs. Beautiful now. So great, I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. And then in the meantime, like just to share with you, I love this set because it has so many and it has different bars for you to play with. And then you can do one nails, like 2 nails with the beads, and then the other the fingernails you can do with just like single bar like this. They come with silver and gold. I'll be using it. Like I have a clients that they like both gold and silvers. It really depend on them. That's what colors they want. Or like some of them it was like this. She's so cute. I think I was like get a chain and then wear her. It's cute. She can be a pendant. And that's one. But after this beautiful cute nails and simple with designs, I'm gonna show you the next one we're doing. It's super cute with this design. I cut the smaller piece because I don't want to hold the big rows on it. So this one is really right here. I'm gonna do that. It looks cute. Also, you can do this one as well. There's so many different design on that. This one's super cute. Look, it's simple. HQ nails, if you want to leave it alone like this, that's you can just leave it like this. You don't have to do anything else. I am going to using my pre-seasoned glue. This is really helped me to seal all the edges. And sometimes I feel like hold and tie the wings of the bee, so then the clients will not catching on their hair at all. To just seal her, so then she being stays secure. Great. I think I'm gonna using the twin tip brush, and I think I might want to blend this one a little bit because it had extra glue gels on it. There you go. Great. So wanna cure for 60 seconds and these nails will be done.